welcome to Scaredy Cat Adventures. This is Colette.
And Jesse.
We just wanted to give you a heads up about what our video is going to be about. We're going to the Daily Basket for our lunch before we head out for a day of hiking. Decided to pry the girls away from their comfortable couches on this Saturday. Were you happy about it? No. Much protest, but who cares?
We got candy.
It's such a beautiful day. It's only like 70 degrees right now. It's fantastic. So stay tuned, see what's up, and if you're in the Winston-Salem area, go ahead and try out some of these trails and let us know what you think.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Let's go hiking, guys. Let's go hiking.
You think I will? No.
Yeah, let's go hiking.
No.
Let's go hiking. Let's go hiking.
Yay.
Look, it's so nice out today. Do you want to go hiking? Oh, Jed.
Yes.
Jed, do you want to go hiking?
Right now.
All right.
You're saying right now.
Bye. Bye. No.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Somewhere.
Hanging Rock. Daily Basket. We're going to Daily Basket to go get some food.
We're stopping by the Daily Basket to grab some sandwiches, and then we're going up to Hanging Rock to do some hiking. And the temperature has finally dropped here to a reasonable level. It actually feels really amazing outside.
It does.
Right
It's
now.
really nice. It's like probably not even 80 degrees yet.
Yeah, so
It
it's
is.
kind of like a light misty rain out.
68 degrees. It feels like fall today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go take advantage of it.
What you got? What you got? Grilled cheese and pickle.
Burner.
Dawn.
Nice. I have also the burger. Oh my goodness. The best place. We did it! We did it!
He's so cute.
This is a great short.
What does that mean?
This is Toby. Toby. We saved him. He is an eastern box turtle.
He's so bright
He's
orange.
cute. I'm gonna touch your feet.
It's like,
Don't touch my feet.
And we brought him down here to the Dan River to let him go.
Save him from the
To
road.
keep him away from the road.
Alright, let's go.
Believe it or not, they're super fast.
Let me go. Alright, little guy. See you later, Toby. Stay away from roads, okay?
That turtle Ooh, what a magical life. Oh, hi.
Yep. That's crazy, isn't it?
Oh! No.
Oh, look. Butterflies.
You didn't really go.
We went sideways.
I'm really cool.
Hey.
Skip it. Someone want to skip it?
Dad,
So skip
skip it. Hold on.
Gotta be difficult to do.
She skipped it. I skipped on normal water.
Oh wow!
How
It didn't. I don't know what exactly just happened there. such a strange color up there on the hillside. All right, we did it. What was the consensus?
Nice, simple, beautiful trail with
Very easy.
everything that I want in it.
Beautiful.
Yep.
So many mushrooms.
It was the most simplest trail I've been on.
Don't eat the mushrooms.
Yeah, don't eat them.
Probably
Squish
be a
'em.
good spot for like if you wanted to come and set up. There's like a nice sandy beach,
I thought it
like
said-
right on the Dan
it
River.
said-
Right.
So
Yeah.
like when you want to have a nice day on the beach, not necessarily camping
Not on the beach.
or
If you want to just get in the river,
right.
know.
Yeah,
like
it's a really nice.
It's a
river.
really quick, easy.
look,
I mean, if you
somebody
just
put
wanted to
it
hike
on
to that spot and back, it would probably be I don't know. 1.3 is
that way.
is a loop. That's the total length.
It's not long at all.
It would probably be only maybe like a little over half a mile out there and I'm saying back
Yep.
if you just went to the sandy spot. So,
Right.
yeah, but on a day like today, it was very beautiful and like all sorts of mushrooms and crazy things growing. All right, where are we at, Tilda?
We're at Hanging Mountain State Park.
What? Hanging rock.
Hanging Rock.
Oh,
Hanging mountain.
Hanging
Yes,
Rock.
we're at the Hanging Mountains that are in Avatar, the movie, the floating mountains. Remember? All right. So Georgia, which trail are we allowed to do today?
Which trail?
Short one.
Which one?
Can we go to Wolf Rock? I love Wolf Rock.
That was.
I
Wolf
wanted to
Rock's
do.
not long.
Yeah. So we are right here at the parking area,
This is
and
not
we're gonna do the Wolf Rock Trail.
But
So,
It's got pretty.
Yay! Let's go.
so here at the beach area, you take that main trail and then Cook's Wall Nature Trail Loop. But this is the trail to Wolf's Rock, right, Georgie?
According to the movie, they will find you.
Wolf Rock, about 0.2 miles this way.
Will it be 10 years this fall? Or would it be
What?
less than a year?
Yeah. Got all these wild blueberries. They're not quite ripe yet, but they're pretty big for wild blueberries. I've never seen them that big. Nope. Did you bring any food? Okay.
I want an apple.
Well,
Yeah. It hurts my hand.
yeah.
Ooh, it got a little chilly.
Yep.
I did it.
I just love the fall here.
Yay.
I love. There's so much home-like feeling.
August.
Through January, I love
Oh, that's so pretty. It's wet, so it's like green. Closing out this day with some exhaustion. It's not that bad. We're gonna go home. No, it's not that bad. We're gonna go home and make some apple pie and chili. chili and apple pie. That sounds good, right, guys?
Yep.
And it ended up being like, I think it never even got over like 72 or 73 degrees today, which for the first day of August, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.
We'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.